Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik. In this quick video I am going to show you my income report for the month of April 2020. Here I am on KDP report section and you can see here that is for the May, and May started well with 12 units and 3 and 3 and 7 and 5 and then 1. But today I am going to show you about April. So let's select the month of April 1 to April 30, and then click apply, and here we can see the clear impact of current lockdown and all the situation that is going all around the globe. Month was April started well, but after you can see 7 units, 2 units and 3 and 3 and 0, again 0, 1, 2, 2 and 3 and 6. After mid-April things started to a bit do well, and then 1 unit, again 7, 10, 2 and 5, and this is the distribution, extended distribution. As you can see, I had some good days toward the end of April. 5 units, again 5 units, and 9 units, 1 unit, then 8 unit. Let's check out our numbers. This is for the month of May, 1st May to 8th May. I had sold 40 units. Let's check out numbers for the month of April. So let's sort it by date. April sorted by month, 1st April to 30th April. Click apply, and here we are. During April you can see I have sold 144 units, and you can see here from the graph that things started to get better toward the after half April. From the 16th April onward the sales were quite better, and now we will check out our total revenue. So let's see the numbers. That is royalties for the current month May, 73.95 units, and let's see for the last month. And during the last month of April I had earned 239 units plus 42 cents. That is $60 to $70 less from the month of March, and that is all because this current situation, that is coronavirus pandemic, and that ended up low sales, and that's why my earning has dropped, but not drastically. I still managed to earn my regular numbers, that is 200 plus dollars. So that is all my report for the month of April. I have also earned some royalties from YouTube, and I will show you here on the YouTube studio. And during April, let's see our numbers. Let's go to the analytics, and here from revenue, that is last 28 days, and that is month of April. During April, from YouTube videos, from my YouTube channel, I have earned $122, and combining these two, I have earned a total of $239 plus 42.42 plus 122 plus 0.8. You can see I have earned $362 during the month of April. That is all my income report for the month of April. And See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new video from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.